It's 4 a.m. The world is quiet, the air feels fresh, and while everyone else is still dreaming, you're already up, moving, focused, and full of energy. But let's be honest, waking up that early feeling great? That's not easy. Most of us hit snooze, scroll our phones, and promise ourselves we'll start tomorrow. Today, I'll show you exactly how to wake up at 4 a.m. and actually feel energized. No caffeine overdose, no burnout, and no endless snoozing. Wake up early. Feel energized. No snooze. Why 4 a.m. works. First, why 4 a.m.? No, it's not about some magical number. It's about owning the quiet hours before texts, emails, and distractions take over. From Navy SEALs to top CEOs, early risers share one secret: focus. Those early hours are your mental goldmine. You have 100% control of your environment. No pings, no meetings, no noise, just clarity. But to truly wake up early and feel good, you can't just set an alarm. You need a system that resets your body and brain. Let's build that system step by step. Step 1. Start the night before. The secret to waking up early doesn't start at 4 a.m., it starts at 9 p.m. Here's why most people fail. They try to wake up early without fixing their sleep hygiene. So tonight, try this 3-step pre-sleep ritual. Power down your screens 60 minutes before bed. Blue light kills melatonin. Set a wind-down alarm. When it rings, that's your cue to stop working, dim the lights, and relax. Journal or brain dump. Empty your thoughts so your mind can rest. If you go to bed at 9:30 p.m., waking up at 4 a.m. gives you 6.5 hours of sleep, enough if it's quality sleep. Step 2. The alarm hack. Let's talk about that moment when your alarm goes off and every cell in your body says, just 5 more minutes. Here's how to beat it. Trick 1. Put your alarm across the room. Force yourself to stand up to turn it off. That movement signals your brain that sleep time is over. Trick 2. Use light alarms. These simulate sunrise and help your body wake naturally. Trick 3. Never decide in bed. The moment your feet hit the floor, you've already won. Don't negotiate with yourself half asleep. You're up. That's victory number 1. Step 3. Wake up activation. Now we activate your energy fast. Here's the perfect 5-minute sequence right after you wake up. Hydrate 1 big glass of water. You lose hydration overnight. Light exposure, open the blinds, step outside or use a daylight lamp. Movement, 10 push-ups, jumping jacks, or a quick stretch. It spikes your heart rate just enough to wake your brain. Breath, 2 minutes of deep breathing. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Purpose, remind yourself why you're up early. Visualize your goal for the morning. This 5-minute activation is your on switch. Make the first hour sacred. Your 4 to 5 a.m. hour is your mental dojo. Don't waste it on social media or emails. Instead, do something that feeds your focus. Read or journal. Plan your day. Meditate or pray. Work on your most important goal before the world wakes up. This builds momentum. By 7 a.m., you'll already feel accomplished, and that's what keeps you energized all day. Conclusion. Waking up at 4 a.m. isn't about being superhuman. It's about structure, consistency, and self-respect. You don't need motivation. You need a repeatable routine that tells your body, this is who I am now. So tonight, set your wind-down alarm. Tomorrow, when 4 a.m. comes, rise. Don't snooze. Don't scroll. Just rise. Own your mornings. Change your life. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a reset. See you in the next one, bright and early.